Hello friends, my name is Viraj. Today in this video I would like to show you how to use your like operator in Mssql. So let us begin with our tutorial. So first you will go to your SQL Server Management Studio. First you will create a database, name BMC. Just simply create and execute it. So our database is created. Just select your database. After that we will create a table. Create table name client, open a bracket, close it, semicolon, inside that write CID, begin, comma, cname, varchar 50, comma, cct, varchar 200, comma, c price, float. Just simply select and execute it. So our table is also created. Now we will insert few record inside that. So just write insert into client value, open the bracket, inside that write 1 comma name Viraj, city Mumbai, comma float, that is my C price will be 50,000. Just simply select, just copy it, insert few records 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First write here 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Name will be Raj. It will be Delhi. Price will be 10,000. Then Anil, Pune. 12,000. Then Sunil, Mumbai. 9,000. Then Shreyash, Jaipur. 11,000. Then Ajay, Mumbai. 16,000. Just simply select and execute it. So all data is inserted. Just check it. Just write here select star from line. Just simply select, execute it. So all your data will be shown here. So we will start with our few example related to your like operator. So first write here select star from line. where C city like single inverted inside that M percentage. Now this will show whatever starts with M data, that the output will be Mumbai. Just simply select and execute it. So you can see whatever starts with M are shown here. That is Mumbai, Mumbai and Mumbai. Another example, right here, select star from client where CCT likes single inverted percentage I semicolon. So whatever ends with I will be displayed here. That will be Mumbai and your Delhi. Just simply select and execute it. So whatever ends with I will be displayed here. So Mumbai, Delhi ends with I, and here in starts with M are all Mumbai's. So the Mumbai's data will be displayed using your like operator. Now one more example. Just simply copy this, paste it, and just write that whatever starts and ends with MUM will be displayed here. That is, all start with mum. It is Mumbai. Will be all the records starts with MUM will be displayed. All Mumbai's will be displayed because it starts from M and ends with M. Here you can see it. Another example related to underscore, underline, whatever you can say. It will also display all Mumbai's record. So in this way you can show whatever starts with MUM or underscore UM. It will display only the Mumbai's record because it starts with MUM. Another example, just simply copy this and paste here. Sometime you can use M underscore percentage underscore percentage. It will also display the same output, that is Mumbai, because it starts with M underscore percentage underscore percentage. So it starts with M, so all Mumbai's records will be displayed here. Another example related to that, just simply copy this, paste here, and here you can see Mumbai percentage I. Whatever starts with M percentage I, in between whatever it will be, but it will start with M and it will end with I, will be displayed here. Will be display all Mumbai's record because it starts with M and ends with I. See, simply it starts with M and it ends with I. In this case, it starts with whatever underscore, but it ends with UM, so all Mumbai's records are displayed. It starts with MUM or and starts with M, and in between, you can say in short or in between, all the records are displayed are here Mumbai. Sorry, some mistake I have done here. So it's in between MUM. These are the records are displayed. It is MUM also or Mumbai. Mumbai's records are being displayed here. Now, one more example related to the like operator. Just simply select and paste here, and here just write not in what, m percentage. Leaving Mumbai, all other data will be shown because it is using not like. See, Delhi, Pune and Jaipur, but not M. You cannot see any data starts with M in cities. All Delhi starts with D, Pune starts with P, and Jaipur start with J. And accepting all other which starts with M, obviously it is a Mumbai, because that's why that data is not showing here, because we are using not like operator. So in short, the percentage, there are two wildcard used in conjunction with your like operator, that is your percentage and the underscore. Percentage sign represents zeros, one or multiple character, whatever you use, and the underscore represent a single character. So hope you really like this video. Please like, subscribe, share it and keep supporting me, and don't forget to subscribe me. Bye.